Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time! Today it's gonna be a fun adventure. Chase and Sky will be bringing the puppies to the pool. Also, Everest and Marshall will bring the babies. The babies will have a kiddie pool. Also, Zuma, Rubble, Rocky will all go to the water park. Rocky's gonna go in the water. Isn't that fun? So if you guys want to be the Paw Patrol biggest fan, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. We'll post lots of Paw Patrol adventures. Also, there's a lot of Toy Story adventures coming up. Who likes Toy Story? Leave us a comment, let us know.
Hey, I like Toy Story. Do you guys like Toy Story? Oh, hey Sky, there you are. Okay, I just parked the car and I'm ready to bring all the babies to the pool. Can you keep an eye on them while I bring all the bags over?
Of course, Chase.
Okay, so here are the babies.
Mommy, take me to the pool. I want to go to the water slide. Sure, guys. I'll take you guys to the water, but let's wait until your father brings all the bags in. Mommy, can I be the first one to go in the water? Sure. But first, we have to put the sunscreen on. And also, Chase is gonna test the water slide and also the water to make sure everything is safe for you guys.
Of course I will. Okay, so Paw Patrol to the rescue. Paw Patrol to the test. I'm gonna go see if the water slide's safe.
Thanks, Chase. Okay, kids, we're gonna stay right here. Daddy's gonna go down the water slide first, but you guys can watch. Look how much fun it is. All right, everybody ready? I have to go climb up the ladder, and here I am. All right, kids. 1, 2, 3. Here I go. I'm gonna slide down the water slide. Woohoo! This is so much fun! Wow, the water is amazing! I love it! Okay, kids, I think you will love the pool, the water slide, the water. But first, I want everybody to put sunscreen on. The sunscreen is in the bag. Do you have it, Sky? I do, Chase. Wait, let me see. I just saw the sunscreen right here. Alright, and I could help you with some of the kids because I know they don't like to put the sunscreen on and they don't stay still, but it's something that needs to be done. Okay, I can be the first one to put sunscreen because I want to be the first one sliding down the water slide. Oh, way to go. Okay, so here it is. You have to stay still. Look, this is SPF 45. You will be nice and protected under this very hot sun. Now it's your turn. Okay, so everybody's gonna have a turn. And then you guys can go slide down the water slide. Woohoo! Here I go! It's gonna be so much fun! And now, who is next? It's Nico's turn. Alright, Nico. Maybe Grace? I don't know. Let's see, kids, who wants to put the sunscreen next? And then you guys can go slide down the water slide. I could go next. Good job. And meanwhile, I will be here with Chase, trying to slide down the water slide. Alright, you have to listen to me. First, I gotta look and see if it's safe. All coast clear. Okay, you can slide now. And let me know how you like the water slide and the water. I love it! It was so much fun! And the water is so nice and warm. I want to go again once all my brothers and sisters finish going down the water slide. Okay, I'm gonna practice my swimming and also I'm gonna climb one more time. Daddy, can I please slide one more time? Because you know, the kids are still putting the sunscreen and I really want to go one more time. No, don't worry, Romeo, I am all ready. And now it's my turn because I was the second one to put sunscreen on. Okay, so I'm climbing the ladder and you can stay right there on the tower and see me slide down the water slide. Alright, Nico, so I'll be right here. Okay, thanks. Here I come! Woohoo! Whoa, this water was amazing! I love it! It was so much fun! You were right! The water was great! Whose turn is it now? It's my turn! Okay, Mommy, can I go? Of course, Grace! Thanks! Alright, I'm gonna be very careful, go around the shower, around the pool, and now I have to climb up the ladder. Alright, Nico, this is my turn. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait to slide down the water slide. I'm the smallest puppy, but I know I can do this. Yes, you can. Alright, Grace, good luck. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You will love it. Alright, thanks, Romeo. My turn. Woohoo! Here I come. I'm sliding down the water slide. Wow, the water is amazing. You were right. I told you. Okay, now it's my turn. It's my turn to slide down the water slide. Okay, are you guys ready? Woohoo! Puppies down the water slide. And now it's my turn. All right, Lila. Come on, we're waiting for you. Wait, I'm carefully climbing up the ladder. Okay, everybody ready? You ready, Daddy? Yes, I am, Lila. Your turn to slide down the water slide. Here I come. That was a big splash. Hey, can I go one more time, Daddy? I want to meet my siblings in the pool. Of course you can. Woohoo! That was a big splash too. All right, now Chase. Chase is gonna go one more time. Yay! Wow, the puppies are having so much fun splashing around in the pool. And Sky is making sure that she's watching all the puppies in the pool. That's right, guys. I have my eyes glued to the pool because I want to make sure my puppies are safe. Oh, very good, Sky. Look at all the stuff she brought for the babies so they can play. She brought a boat, sunscreen, camera, a bag filled with treats, just in case if the puppies get hungry. Alright, kids, are you guys hungry? No, not yet, Mommy. Alright, let me know. Oh, I think I'm just gonna dip my piggies here in the pool. Wow, the water is really good. It was getting very hot to just sit by the pool. I really needed to come in the water a little and just freshen up. Okay, here is the boat. I brought this remote control boat for you guys to play. Isn't it fun? Yes, Mommy. Wow, this boat is so cute and so pretty. Can I drive the boat now? My turn, my turn. Wait, guys, everybody has to take a turn. Remember, we only have one boat and we have 5 puppies. You guys have to share. Oh, wow, look who arrived at the pool. Everest, Marshall, and the babies. Hey, Sky. Hey, Chase. How are you? I'm sorry we're running late. It took forever to get out of the house. Oh, don't worry. Oh, look who else is here. We have the whole group. Zuma, Rubble, and Rocky. Rocky, are you gonna go in the water today? I'm not sure. I hope so. The water is really good, Rocky. I know if you go down the water slide, you won't regret. Talking about water slide, I think I'm gonna slide down the water slide right now. Let me see. I can't wait to splash in this awesome pool. Here we go. Splash. Wow, Zuma, you did a great slide down the water slide. Well, that's because I am a sea dog. I am very, very good with my hovercraft. Hey, I think I'm gonna go too. I can do a trick down the water slide. Look at this. I'm gonna slide on my belly. Timber! Splash! Wow, this water park is so much fun. I couldn't wait to be here and see all of you guys. Wow, what about you, Rocky? Are you gonna go? I don't know. I am a little afraid. Oh, don't worry. The water is amazing. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I'll give it a turn. I feel that my knees are shaking. I can barely go up the steps, but I think it will be fun. Come on, Rocky. You can do this. You can do this. What do you guys think at home? Leave me a comment.
Wish me good luck. Here we go. I'm gonna go in the pool and I'm so afraid of water. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm so afraid. Oh, whoop. Wait a minute. This is a lot of fun. Hey, the water's good. It's not that bad. Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Okay, so, but I think I did my job here. Maybe I'll get out of the pool.
Everest, Marshall, are you guys gonna go in the water? The water feels very good in this hot summer day. Well, we will have to take turns. Go ahead, Marshall. You could go down the water slide first. I'll stay here watching the babies. I'm so glad I bought this baby pool. Look, the kids are having a lot of fun splashing around in the baby pool. Alright, thanks, Everest. I'll slide down the water slide first, and then I'll watch the babies so you can also go in the water. Alright, so here we go. Carefully climbing up the ladder, because you guys know I'm very clumsy. Okay, are you guys ready? Here I come, sliding down the water slide. Woohoo! Here comes Marshall. Splash! Okay, wow. This is a lot of fun, but I can barely stay here in the water because now it's time for me to watch the babies, because Everest wants to slide down the water slide too. I'm sorry, Rubbo, I bumped into you. Okay, so here we go, Everest. Time for you to slide down the water slide. Alright, thanks, Marshall. Keep an eye on the babies. Remember, they're in the water. It's very dangerous. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, are you ready? Sky, how is the water? Is it cold? No, it's nice and warm. Oh, bummer. I was hoping it was icy cold. I love the snow. But it's okay. Here we go. Everest sliding down the slide. Whippy! Splash! Wow! It's very nice. It's nice and refreshing. Okay, guys, so how did you like today's adventure? Wasn't it fun? Well, the puppies from Paw Patrol love a pool party, and they were having so much fun during this hot summer day. It's still very hot in here, so the pool is very nice. If you guys like their adventure, please give us a thumbs up and also leave us a comment. Let us know which one is your favorite Paw Patrol. So I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thank you all for watching Toy Toy Time, and also subscribe!